this point, we don't have any leads, but we've had similar problems in the past. Oh. Sorry. This is Derek McCain, spotted several times in the province. In the past year, Mr. McCain makes a handsome living from rare and endangered species. He too. Now, these two are Australians. The bald one is Mick Katie. The other is said to have been raised by Aborigines. The natives call him... call him Gaji, the hunter. Both are known poachers and have been...
Mr. Ventura! This wedding ceremony is going to take place in 4 days. I cannot have bloodshed in my province. We're counting on you.
Honk, 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 honk.
Hey-ho, Silver, away!
The Wachatis believe they draw their power from these caves, but they now live in fear since the vanishing of their sacred bat. Bat? What? Bat? The one we're here to find, Mr. Ventura.
You didn't say anything about a bat.
What's the difference?
What's the difference? Have you ever seen a bat? They're hideous. Lifeless, beady eyes, clawed feet, huge, grotesque wings, even fangs. They give you rabies, you know.
Yes, quite. I see your point. But are you saying that you won't take the case?
No. As a being of light, I must show compassion for all the living things of nature.
Good.
I'm not touching it, though. Who spanked you?
Bumbleway tuna. Bumbleway tuna.
Hi there, nice to see you. Bumblebee tuna? Bumblebee tuna! Ace Ventura, pet detective. How are you this afternoon? All righty then.
Excuse me.
Your balls are showing. Bumblebee tuna?
They have lived in the same state for thousands of years. They did not know about disease until the white man came.
What's going on over here?
Oh, yes. Now, all young Wachati warriors must face 5 days of balance and concentration. Should he lose his focus and fall, he must start all over again.
Earthquake test! He's good. With my help, he could be the best.
Oh, my goodness. The chief really seems to like you. I mean, that is a great sign of affection in the Wachati tribe.
Really?
Oh, this is the chief's son, Auda. The missionaries came through and taught him a spot of English.
I like you.
Come on. Aren't I the popular one? Allow me to display my affection. It is the mucus that binds us.
What type of bat are we talking about here?
The great white bat, of course.
Crepuscular Chirapera.
Yes, but to the natives, Shikaka.
Shakaka. Shakaka.
Shikasha.
Ah.
Shish kebab. Shawshank Redemption.
Chicago! You're out of there! Go on. You're gone. Go on. My. This fruit paste is delicious. And the pottery is lovely.
It's made from guano.
Guano! That sounds so familiar.
Bat droppings. Guano is the chief resource of the Wachati. They use it to make many things in the village.
Yummy!
Come to help us. We are in great appreciation.
You speak English?
Yes. The missionaries, they come with books. Oh, you are very good with that.
It's incredibly accurate. Care to try? Not bad. Try again. Relax your shoulders. Breathe and release. There you go.